So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your sign up bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000, don't worry. It's not too late. If you signed up with no referral code, you can now retroactively apply a referral code to your account. I'm gonna leave all the instructions down below, and you could literally be getting $1,000 guaranteed if you use the instructions down below. It takes like 30 seconds. It's 7 steps. You can do it right in your Uber driver app. There's a way to do it now. It's super simple. So yeah, if you forgot to use a referral code, don't worry, we got you. Just use the instructions down below, and now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. Welcome back. Hope everybody is doing well. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world right now, and this is a breaking news video that Uber just sort of announced that they are shutting down their apps, but I don't know if I was supposed to get this, and I don't think anybody got this notification because I was literally on my phone and I got a notification, and then I went to check it and it was gone. But fortunately, you know me, I was screen recording, so I caught it and I wanted to share it with you guys so you guys could see it too, because quite frankly, I don't think Uber wanted everybody to see that they're gonna shut down. I think they wanted to do this announcement, and then maybe the Uber CEO was like, or maybe they were preparing it and somebody accidentally sent it out. So I'm just going to show you guys. So I'm gonna screen record my screen recording so you guys can see it. So this is it, guys. So I got this one from Lyft actually. So they go, rideshare may be suspended. We're sorry, we may be forced to suspend our rideshare platform in California on Thursday, 8/20. We recognize that drivers and their communities rely on Lyft, and we're doing everything we can to find a solution. So that is actually a screenshot. That's when you click on Lyft. I'm gonna get into Uber in a second, but yeah, this is when you open up your Lyft app, Lyft driver app. It should pop up. Is it gonna pop up? By the way, guys, 5-star driver right there. How phenomenal is that? I think it might be in my, in my dashboard or something. Here we go. Your ability to earn is at risk. Due to a recent court ruling, rideshare is at risk of being suspended in California. Yeah, I'm gonna get into that in a different video, I think, because, well, I'll just show you guys really quick what they're trying to tell drivers about that. Or do you guys want to see what Uber had to say? Let's bring in what Uber had to say. That's the focus of this video. I'll make another video for the other one. Oh yeah, here we go. This is it, guys. So I was sitting here on my phone, just listening to music, and look at this. Uber update. Service update, ride sharing in CA may be suspended, they go. Then you open up the app, watch, this is what happens. You open it up, boom, it's gone. Nowhere. Although they did name Uber Rewards Hub. Oh, plan ahead, there we go. Plan ahead this week as ride sharing may be ended. This is not in the Uber driver app, I don't think. Let's see, I think this is only in the Uber passenger app. See, like, I have nothing in here. But if you go into the Uber passenger app, it should say up top, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Uber passenger app. Good evening, Dylan. Here we go. Plan ahead this week as ride sharing may be suspended. Learn more. I love how they're not like, oh, drivers, here, you know, here's some money, by the way, because we know you guys all rely on us for income. Like, what are you supposed to do if you're a full-time Uber driver? Just stop, like, go homeless this week? This is on the Uber blog. Rideshare in California is at risk. We may have to temporarily suspend ridesharing in California starting this week. The CA Attorney General obtained a court order that requires rideshare companies to hire drivers as employees immediately or else shut down. We appealed this decision, but if we are not successful in our appeal, we will need to temporarily shut down by Thursday night, guys. Today's Tuesday. Oh my gosh, can you imagine not living in Los Angeles? I'm in Los Angeles. Luckily, I do have a car, but all the people who don't, they're not gonna be, so, oh yeah. We know that riders rely on Uber to get around and drivers rely on the app to earn income. We wanted to let you know that this is a possibility so you can plan accordingly. We remain committed to helping drivers get access to new benefits and protections without compromising the flexibility they have today via Prop 22. Literally, they're literally like using this opportunity to get people to vote for them on Prop 22. So anyways, guys, this is crazy. This is actually coming to fruition. It's less than 48 hours. well, about 50 hours by the time I'm filming this, that Uber will have to shut down and Lyft by Thursday night. I believe at least Uber, because that's what they said in this here. I don't know Lyft. But yeah, guys, that's all I got. I want to make this announcement so you guys know that this is the facts in California. It's probably shutting down soon. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Again, check out the instructions down below if you're an Uber driver and you want to apply a retroactive referral code. Try to do that as fast as you can before Uber shuts down, but it is still active in other states at least. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna have to make an update because I don't know what my Uber driver's app's even gonna look like come next week. And it could be gone for 3 months. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great, amazing day. Later, guys. Bye.